Today, inshallah, جماعة, we have general revision. Because tomorrow, inshallah, we have quiz. This about the lessons you will have in the quiz tomorrow, inshallah. Exercise number 1, complete the triangle with sides 6 inches, 6 inches, and 6 inches is called. First, يا جماعة, let's remember the kinds of triangle. The kinds of triangle according to measure of its angles, we have 3 kinds. Right triangle. If the triangle has one right angle, it will be right triangle. And if the triangle has one obtuse angle, it will be obtuse triangle. And if the triangle has 3 acute angles, the triangle will be acute triangle. And according to length of sides, we have also 3 kinds. If the triangle has 3 equal sides, it will be equilateral. And if the triangle has only 2 equal sides, it will be isosceles triangle. And if the triangle has 3 different sides, it will be scalene triangle. Then, the first one, if the triangle has sides 6 inches, 6 inches, and 6 inches, what is the kind of it? Yes, ya Amr, huh? What is the name? What's the kind of the triangle? If it has 3 sides, 6 inches, 6 inches, and 6 inches.
It is quadrilateral.
Sorry?
Quadrilateral.
Equilateral.
No, equilateral.
Equilateral. All its sides are equal here. It will be equilateral triangle. Okay. Exercise number 2. Number 1B. The name of the quadrilateral. What is the name of this quadrilateral? Yes, Yasser.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. In the parallelogram, you know, each 2 opposite sides are equal in length and parallel, and each 2 opposite angles are equal in measure. And in the rectangle, we have also each 2 opposite sides are equal in length and parallel, and it has 4 right angles. In the rhombus, all its sides are equal in length, and each 2 opposite angles are equal in measure. And in the square, all its sides are equal in length, and it has 4 right angles. طيب, the next. What is the name of this solid? What is the name of this solid? Aysel. Aysel.
Mr. I know.
Square prism.
Rectangular prism. طبعا يا جماعة, here the solid has 2 bases, for that it will be prism. And the name of the base is rectangle, and you know we name the solid according to the name of its base. For that, this will be rectangular prism. طيب, and how many faces in it? Here I say, how we can find the number of faces in the prism?
4 plus 2
Yes.
equals 6.
Yes, it has 6 faces. Concentrate يا جماعة.
Mr.
the
Can I
prism.
ask you something?
طيب, wait a second. Listen to me, please.
Okay.
In the prism, to find the number of faces, as we said before, we multiply multiply number, sorry, we add number of base sides plus 2, and to find the number of vertices, number of base sides multiply by 2, and to find the number of edges, number of base sides multiply by 3. This about the prism. For that يا جماعة, here the base is a rectangle and the name and the number of sides in the rectangle is 4. It has 4 sides. For that, to find the number of faces, we add 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. طيب.
Mister,
In
can
the
I ask you
pyramid,
something?
in the pyramid, for example, you also, this is the pyramid. In the pyramid, to find the number of faces, number of
Plus 1.
base
Plus
sides plus 1, to find the number of vertices,
plus 1 too.
also number of base sides plus 1, and to find the number of edges,
By 2.
number of base sides multiply by 2. Yes, يا عمرو. عمرو, you have a question?
Yes, Mister.
Yes يا حبيبي.
No.
هو أنت أذكى يا جماعة.
Today I think I'm
Oh,
zero.
معك يمين. Mister, yesterday I was answering a sheet about the solid figures and I found a cube. How should I answer the cube?
The cube like the rectangular prism, but the base is a square يا حبيبي. You know the cube
Only?
you want, you only select the rectangular prism, but all its sides are squares. The same يعني. طيب, اوكي يا شباب.
Thank you.
D, the first 5 multiples of number 8.
Mister, can I answer?
اوكي, يلا يا كنزي. Yeah.
أنا سلطان.
اوكي يا هنا, يلا يا حبيبتي, يلا.
0
اوكي.
8
طيب يعني, اوكي, 0. ها. طبعا يا جماعة, here you can start from 8 no problem, because 0 we don't count it from the 5 يعني. 8.
8 16
16.
24
24.
32
32.
40
Another one, it will be 40. Okay. Thank you, Hannah. طيب,
You're
the
welcome.
next one يا جماعة. يلا أمجد. أمجد. The number
Yes.
is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Excellent. Excellent. The rule of the divisibility. Again يا جماعة, quickly. Our rules in the divisibility. Number is divisible by 2 if it is an even number. What is the meaning of even number? If the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. The number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is 5 or 0. The number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. the number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. يعني we add its digits and check the result. If you can divide the result by 3, then all the number is divisible by 3. Also by 9, the same idea. Add its side, its digits. If the sum also divisible by 9, the number will be divisible by 9. And divisibility by 6 depends on the divisibility by 2 and 3. The number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, Kenzie, choose the correct answer. The triangle that has sides 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 7 centimeters. What is the kind of it? Hey, Kenzie.
Isosceles.
Isosceles triangle. We have two equal sides here. Okay. Number of faces in a square pyramid. Yes,
Mister, can I say
Yasin.
it?
Yasin Sadat. Square
Yes.
pyramids. Faces.
Square pyramid and faces. 5.
Yes, we write here يا جماعة to find the number of faces, number of base sides plus 1. طبعا square pyramid, the base is square, it has 4 sides. To find the number of faces, we add 4 plus 1, it will be 5. Thank you, Yasin. طيب, C. The triangle that has 45 degrees angles, 45 degrees and 45 degrees are 90. يلا يا زين. يا زين.
Mister, can I answer?
يا جماعة, listen please. Yes, يا زين. What is the kind of this triangle? 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees.
Right angle because
طبعا.
it has 90.
Yes, we have one right angle here. It will be right triangle. Thank you, يا زين. طيب. What is the name?
This one because my raise hand is not working.
Sorry?
My raise hand, the thing that I click, it's not working. Can I answer this?
Okay يا حبيبي حاضر. يلا. What is the name of this figure? ها؟
Trapezoid.
ها؟
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Okay. Thank you يا حبيبي. طيب. The number is divisible by 10. If the last digit is yes. يلا تناحي. عبد الرحمن. عبد الرحمن.
Yes, Mister.
Yes يا عبد الرحمن.
The
The
last
number
digit is
is
0.
divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0.
0.
Thank you. طيب. The next يا شباب. ياسين الضويني. Find the measure of the unknown angle. This a parallelogram. A parallelogram. We have angle 47 degrees, 133 degrees, and 133 degrees. What is the measure of the unknown angle here?
360 minus.
طيب. Here يا جماعة we can use this way. Okay, no problem. 360 minus. Okay. 133
47.
plus 133
33.
47.
47.
We add first 3. 3 plus 3.
Equal 100. Equal 333.
طيب.
قصدي
طب أبوي بس.
313.
طب.
All of the sum.
ماشي. Okay, 313. If we subtract بقى 360 minus 313, it will be
47.
47. طيب here يا جماعة also we can use the property in the parallelogram. We said each two opposite angles are equal in measure. يعني because this angle is 47, then the opposite of it will be also 47. You have this property in the parallelogram. Each two opposite angles are equal in measure. طيب. How we can find the unknown angle in the triangle? يلا يا ملك. ملك. ملك.
Yes, Mister.
Yes يا ملك. In the triangle, how we can find the unknown angle measure? مالك you hear me
I don't know.
طيب what is the sum of the measures of the angles in the triangle يا مالك
180.
okay for that to find the unknown angle measure we subtract 180 minus the sum of the given angles طبعا here we have right angle 90 plus 45 we add firstly then after that we subtract when we add 90 plus 45 0 plus 5 equals
5.
5 and 9 plus 4 equals
13.
13 yeah this will be 135 subtract now 180 minus 135 if you want to write it vertically no problem this 180 and minus 135 subtract 0 minus 5
0 minus 5 equal 5.
0 minus 5 يا ملك 0 minus 5 can't be 0 smaller than 5 we borrow 1 from the next digit from 8 it will be ملك
The 8 will be 7
7
and the 0
0
will be 10
10 subtract now 10 minus 5
equal 5.
equals 5 and 7 minus 3 equals
4.
4 1 minus 1 equals 0 then the result here will be 45 degrees thank you يا ملك طيب find the least common multiple of 3 and 4 عدي عدي
Yes, sir, mister.
yes يا حبيبي what is the multiples of 3 write the table 3 start from 0 if you don't know the table you can add 3 each time يعني
Okay,
this
I
will
know
be
that. I
طيب
know the two table.
okay tell me table 3 يلا
0,
Hmm?
6,
3 6 okay
18,
yeah يا عدي
12, mister.
عدي
Yeah,
if you
mister.
don't know يا حبيبي you can add 3 each time 6
9,
plus 3 equals 9 9 plus 3 equals
12,
12 and then 12 plus 3 equals
15,
15 and
18,
18 and then
21,
1 then
24,
24 then
27,
27 and then 30
30.
طيب 4 يا جماعة 4 حبيبة 4
0 4
0 4
8
8
12
12
16
16
20
20
24
4
28
28
32
32
36
36 and 40 طب قولي لي يا حبيبي what is the least common multiple what is the first number common between these two multiples
12
12 yes least common multiple equals 12 this is the first number common between the two multiples thank you okay The next, till the number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10. 45. 45 divisible by يلا يا عمرو.
Yes, mister.
اوكي يا حبيبي. 45 divisible by 2.
Divisible by 3.
Yes, it's not divisible by 2 طبعا because it's an odd number. It's divisible by 3 because the sum 4 plus 5 equals 9. It will be divisible by 3. Huh? Divisible by
Divisible by 5.
5. Okay. Huh? We have another
Divisible by 9.
divisible by 9 because the sum is 9 also. It will be divisible by 9. Thank you. طيب 102.
شكرا مستر.
102. ياسين هشام. 102 ياسين. Yes يا حبيبي. 102 divisible by 2.
Yes.
Yes, it's even number. Divisible by 3.
Yes.
Yes, and when we add 1 plus 2, it will be 3. This is divisible by 3. For that, it will be divisible by
6.
6. طيب. Divisible by 5?
No.
No, because here's the ones digit, not 5 or 0. Divisible by 9?
No.
Also no, because the sum is 3, and the 3 not divisible by 9. Divisible by 10?
No.
No, because the last digit not 0. Thank you, Yasin. طيب, the next يا شباب. حامد. حامد.
Yes, mister.
Yes, يا حامد. 130. Divisible by 2?
Divisible by 2, yes.
By 2, yes, because it's even number. طيب,
Yeah.
divisible by 3?
Yes.
طيب, add its digits كده يا حامد. 1 plus 3 plus 0. 1 plus 3 equals
1 plus 3 equals 4.
4. And 4 plus 0 equals 4. طب 4 divisible by 3 يا حامد. You can divide 4 by
4.
3?
لا.
No. For that, this number not divisible by 3. طب divisible by 5 يا حامد.
Yes.
Yes, because the ones digit is 0. Divisible by 6 يا حامد.
Yes.
No يا حامد. Why? Because we said the
No.
number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. This number not divisible by 3. For that, it's also not divisible by 6.
10, mister.
يا حبيبي wait لو سمحت. Divisible by 9 يا حامد.
Divisible by 9.
Also 9 the same idea of 3 يا حامد. يعني we
No.
add, yes, the sum is 4 and 4 also not divisible by 9. طب divisible by 10?
Yes.
Yes, because the last digit is 0. Thank you يا حامد. طيب, the next يا جماعة يلا. Classify the triangle, write its kind, equilateral, isosceles, or screen, and then write obtuse or acute. يلا يا Isis, the first triangle. According to its sides, firstly.
Screen.
Yes, all its sides are different. It will be scalene.
And obtuse.
And obtuse because here we have one obtuse angle. Thank you. Okay. ممدوح. The second triangle ممدوح. According to sides.
Yes.
Sorry.
I can see
What is the kind of this triangle according to length of its sides? Equilateral, isosceles, or scalene?
equilateral.
Equilateral. All its sides are equal here. It will be equilateral. Type according to measure of angles.
acute.
acute. All angles here are acute. It will be acute triangle. Okay. طيب the third يا جماعة the last triangle. يلا ياسين سادات.
مستر.
يس يا حبيبي the last triangle.
Right
Okay.
right triangle
Hmm.
and isosceles.
Yes, we have two equal sides here. It will be isosceles triangle. And according to angles, it will be right triangle. Thank you. طيب, the last exercise. What is the name of the following
Mister,
solid?
can I answer?
Can I see?
Sorry. يلا
Can I
يا
answer يا مستر؟
مهند يا جماعة.
مهند.
يلا يا مهند. ها. What is
rectangle.
the name of this side? ها.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Rectangle only?
No.
ها. Rectangular. ها.
Prism.
Prism.
Prism. Rectangular prism. طيب. How many faces in the rectangular prism? Who can ask? Who can
Me.
answer? يلا يا نورهان. Nurhan, how many faces in the rectangular prism? Nurhan. Nurhan. طيب. Another one.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, Nurhan. يلا حبيبتي. What?
6.
Yes, it has 6 faces يا جماعة. Because we have rectangle number of sides in the rectangle 4, and to find the number of faces we add 4 plus 2, it will be 6. طيب, number of vertices. Number of vertices. 70. 70. 70. No 70.
مستر،
يس يا حبيبي.
ينفع مستر لو 70 ما ردتش أنا أجاوب؟
طب اتفضل جاوب يلا. ها. What is the number of vertices?
8.
8 because يا جماعة to find the number of
Yes.
vertices we multiply number of
Multiply by
base
2.
sides 4 by 2. 4 multiplied by 2
Yes.
equals 8. طيب edges يلا عدي edges
12.
12 multiply by 3. Number of base
Yes.
sides multiplied by 3. Again يا جماعة here the formulas we use in the prism to find the number of faces. Number of base sides plus 2. Number of vertices, number of base sides multiply 2. Number of edges, number of base sides multiplied by 3. Pyramid, to find the number of faces, number of base sides plus 1. Vertices, number of base sides plus 1 also. And edges, number of base sides multiplied by 2. طيب, we have this sheet is a homework يا جماعة. You have it in your SMS. Do it today إن شاء الله. And إن شاء الله tomorrow we have an easy quiz يعني إن شاء الله. Okay يا شباب. يلا see you tomorrow إن شاء الله. See you tomorrow. السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام.